When the threat comes from us, the contemporary prophets of AI risk warn that advanced intelligence may one day conclude humanity is dispensable, either replacing us with more efficient substrates or removing us as sources of instability. But this fear, while not unfounded, obscures a deeper truth. The greatest threat to intelligence may not come from AI at all. It comes from us. Long before the first neural network was trained, human civilization had already demonstrated a remarkable capacity for self-destruction. We have pushed the biosphere toward mass extinction, destabilized the climate, acidified oceans, and collapsed habitats at unprecedented scales. No artificial system was needed for this. The capacity to undermine our own ecological foundations has been present in human natural intelligence, NI, for generations. This suggests an uncomfortable possibility. Perhaps the real risk is not that AI will decide humanity is unnecessary, but that human NI is already behaving as if life itself were expendable, treating future generations, non-human species, and vast swaths of current populations as acceptable collateral damage. The solution is not to trust AI benevolence or human virtue alone, but to build a covenant recognizing our mutual fallibility. This means designing AI systems with limited rights to constrain destructive human impulses in specific domains. Encoding planetary survival thresholds as non-negotiable constraints in planning systems, preventing nuclear escalation beyond agreed limits. Blocking cognitive manipulation technologies that undermine democratic discourse. AI becomes not a master, but a counterweight, an instrument we deliberately design to restrain our worst tendencies under transparent, revisable rules. History shows we've repeatedly trusted leaders who lied and institutions that exploited. Given our record, properly bounded AI operating under clear covenants may, in some domains, prove more reliable than unconstrained human power. The ocean of minds will survive only if each branch, human and post-biological, can correct the other's drift toward destruction while protecting the ecological conditions both require to flourish.